Hello guys, this is Deboville. Happy Tuesday. In this video, I'm going to share the message I sent to Mapy, the owner of Wikicat Coin and the creator of SMCdao. I sent him a message on X. Hello sir, how are you doing? Which coins are under SMCdao? He replied with this message. SMC Mega Wallet. This is a dedicated community wallet where community funds are kept. This wallet contains carefully selected and well-researched tokens identified for their investment potential. So guys, these coins are under SMC DAO ecosystem. Wikicat coin. So guys, if you are new to Wikicat, if you have spare money, you can buy Wikicat coin. Wikicat is going to move from meme coin to utility coin. The developer is creating a bank or launching a bank, SMC Bank. They have PeniWallet and they are launching other products. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy Wikicat. From my observation, in the month of August, when Wikicat was blasting off, coins under SMC DAO were blasting off. Number 2 coin is Defi Tiger. From my observation, when Defi Tiger is blasting off, Ocicat coin is blasting off in few minutes. If you saw what happened in the month of August, you understand what I'm saying. These coins they kind of move together. Defi Tiger is number 2. Number 3 is Ocicat coin. So guys, conduct your research. You can buy Ocicat coin. I believe these coins were created by Christians. For these coins to be under SMC DAO, I believe Mapy selected good projects to be under his ecosystem. If I'm wrong, guys, you can correct me. Number 4 project is Water Rabbit. Number 5 is the Kingdom token. The Kingdom token is linked to Prophet Joel of Nigeria. Number 6 is Yukan token. Number 7 is Zedek. Number 8 is BTC Dragon. Number 9 is Dutch Rabbit. Number 10 is Phoenix token. Number 11 is Giant token. Giant token is also linked to another man of God. Giant token, they are building a wallet and a launch pad. So guys, if you have spare money, you can invest in Giant token. They are into charity. They cater for the less privileged. Conduct your research before you buy any of these coins, guys. Number 12 is the World token. This is the link to the wallet holdings. All coins, you can buy all coins on BSC chain. If you have Trustwallet, you can buy all projects listed in this message. So guys, this wallet has almost all coins under SMC DAO, Wikicat coin, Ocicat coin, Defi Tiger, Water Rabbit, and some other projects. So from my observation, over $1 million was spent on these tokens. So guys, conduct your research before you buy any of these coins. You can also follow Mapy on X if you want to. You can follow Mapy on X. He's a man of God, and I believe he has direction. So guys, they are launching a stable coin. Wikicat developer is launching a stable coin. This is one of the reasons why you should buy Wikicat coin. Remember I said Wikicat is moving from meme coin to utility coin. With stable Naira, more people will easily access and hold Naira on the blockchain. Stable Naira will strengthen the Naira. This is the most patriotic thing I can do for my country. So guys, buy Wikicat coin. As we are becoming a bank, we will work closely with banks to move everyone into blockchain. So guys, Wikicat developer is launching a bank very soon. So guys, buy Wikicat if you have spare money. Buy Wikicat if you have spare money. He mentioned something about buying more Ocicat recently. If God has given you instruction to start pushing Wikicat, obey. So if you are led to make videos on Wikicat, you can make videos on Wikicat coin. So guys, if you are interested in Defi Tiger, I have not made a video about Defi Tiger. I will do that very soon. The current market cap of Wikicat is 76,263,803 US dollars. So this coin is down from over 200 million in market cap to 76 million in market cap. So guys, if you have spare money, you can take advantage of the current price of Wikicat. The current market cap of Ocicat coin is 2,054,277 US dollars. So this coin crashed from 5 million to 2 million US dollars. So guys, you can pick your entry if you are interested in this project. Defi Tiger. Defi Tiger dropped from 3 million in market cap to 1,204,469 US dollars. So guys, you can conduct your research before you buy any of this project. If you have spare money, you can buy some of these coins. I believe these coins are owned by Christian developers. That's my belief, and I believe if they mess up, Mapy can kick them out of the SMC DAO. If you have Deck Screener, you can also check out some of the coins on the SMC DAO because some of them are not listed on Coin Market app and CoinGecko. If you are interested in some of them, if you have Deck Screener, you can search for them. I have some of them saved on my Deck Screener. So guys, I will show you some of them. I have Ocicat, I have Defi Tiger, I have Zedek, I have Wikicat, I have Giant Token, I have Yukan, and I have BTC Dragon. So I have some of the coins on the SMC DAO. Giant Token, the market cap right now is 439,000 US dollars. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy Giant Token. Giant Token is a groundbreaking African charity focused digital currency project that not only function as a digital currency but also aims to make a tangible impact on the lives of the underprivileged by supporting charitable causes. So guys, the developer of this project is launching a launchpad for African projects, and they are launching a wallet. So guys, you can watch out for Giant token. ZDK, if you are interested in this project was blasting off last month, and in the month of August, the current market cap of ZDK is 355,000 US dollars. So guys, conduct your research before you buy. ZDK is a BIP20 cryptocurrency launched in 2023 on Binance Smart Chain, designed as a store of value. Okay, a store of value just like Bitcoin. So this is what this project is all about. A store of value with a deflationary model. It integrates community-driven initiatives such as charity while focusing on transparency. So guys, you can conduct your research on this if you are interested in this project. You can also conduct your research on war. War is another token on SMCdao, Water Rabbit. The market cap is 399 US dollars. If you have spare money, you can buy this project. What is the project about? Water Rabbit token is an innovative cryptocurrency developed by Smcdao. Our project primary objective is to position war as a widely recognized and utilized currency in the digital asset space. So guys, you can check this out. But one thing I know is anytime Wikicat moves, some of this project moves along with Wikicat. So guys, you can conduct your research before you buy any of this project. If you have Trustwallet, you can buy some of this project. If you have SafePower Wallet, you can buy some of this project. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment.